Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Wow African Professional Hair Beauty Plaza. That's what's listed on the box. But yeah, I'm here with Wow African today, so shout out to them for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and jump into it. If I open the box, I see this drawstring bag. Really nice. It says WowAfrican.com. And then before I get into that, it has a pamphlet on the inside, you know, with some of its influencers and stuff, hair care and all those stuff are on the inside. And then I also got a wig cap. Okay, so all that is in the box is the wig. And for today's wig, I have a 1B 12-inch bob. So happy for this. This is a loose wavy bob. It's been a minute since I've had a bob like this. And oh, it's lace front. Yes, it's a lace front wig. And it says Wow African on the elastic on the inside. That's so nice. They have 3 combs in the front portion there and 1 longer comb in the back, you know, all for security. They also have adjustable straps, and then you have the lace portion. It is a off side part. It's a side part wig. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It is a bit pre-plucked already. You could go in and pluck it a little bit more if you want, but I feel like I'm gonna rock it with how it's plucked already. It's really nice though. I love this. I love this. Let's go ahead and jump into applying this.
You're driving me crazy, you're driving me crazy, you're driving me crazy. Your body's made, your body's made, your body's made. The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing. The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.
So as you see, guys, I went ahead and I just, you know, used my Got To Be to apply it. You know, the regular wig application. The lace looks pretty good, especially the front here. It's pre-plucked pretty nicely, so I really like that.
Your body's amazing.
I'm gonna use my elastic band to further melt in the lace. I'm gonna go ahead and do my little swoop. I'm all done with applying that, and as you can see, I didn't even do any baby hairs here in the front or anything. I just wanted that natural pullback look, that vibe for that. So now that I've done that, I didn't even do much on this side either, just a a little discreet swoop. I really love this dry wavy look. I don't want to get it wet. I really don't want to get it wet, so I want to pull back the ear portion here. This hair is so soft, by the way. Let me just let you guys know that from now. It's really soft. I love the blunt cut. It's a vibe. The install was pretty like quick because I really didn't do a lot of baby hairs. I wanted to just do like more of a pullback thing, and I did a little flip over here at the front. I really wanted this fluffy vibe with this wig, so I didn't even bother to like get it wet. I love this. This is really nice. Let me know what you guys think. I know this is a trendy like look too. This whole look with this wig is a trendy look. You know, like that kind of undone, like messy, wavy bob. I love that. If you liked it, go ahead and give this video a thumb up. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna put all the specifications on this wig in my description box if you guys are interested. It's one of those type of looks you wear to that kind of special occasion. If it's your birthday and you want a bob, this is it. I love it. I love it. And I didn't have to do a lot to it. So Wow African, shout out for this wig. This wig is really nice. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Turn on your post notification bell, because sometimes I understand some people don't get notified on time, so go ahead and do that. Also keep up with me on my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. I upload over there weekly, so stay tuned. Just keep up with that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It's on the screen, Petite Essence. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself.